Clockify's free plan offers unlimited time tracking and reporting. But if you need more, this video will show you everything Clockify paid plans have to offer so you and your team can improve your productivity. I'm Dimitri and we'll start with the basic plan. As an admin, you can see your team's timesheets and add time on their behalf even if the timesheets have been locked. You can do that in the member's timesheet or calendar, or in the detailed report for multiple people at once. As there are different permissions for different users, it's possible to set that some users don't have the same access to features as other users. For example, you can set that regular users won't be able to see reports, all projects, or teams, or that only admins can access project status and progress. Time entry fields in Clockify such as description, project, task, or tag can be marked as required, so users won't be able to save an entry without them. Bulk editing allows you to edit multiple entries, projects, and users at once by simply selecting multiple or all fields you want to edit, and then edit the information. Activating decimal format will enable you to see, enter, and export time in decimal format. When you export your data, it will be displayed as such, so you get the prepared numbers for further calculations or analysis. Time Audit allows you to find all entries that are too short or too long, or are missing some information such as project or task. Besides filtering, Clockify gives you the option to customize reports even further every time you export them. You can choose which data to display and which to exclude in CSV, Excel, or PDF reports. Work on similar projects can be organized much more easily with project templates. When you create your typical project for the first time, save it as a template so that next time you're adding a new project, you can just choose this template as a basis. The newly created project will inherit its task structure and settings, and you'll be able to customize it further. You can mark existing time entries as favorites, and they'll appear at the top of the time tracker page. This way, you can quickly start and switch between timers for common activities. Historical rates let you set new billable or cost rates and apply them to all previous and future time entries, or all entries from a specific date onwards. Clockify allows you to edit your team members' profile information like their name or week start, and to do it in bulk if needed for quicker changes. Clockify gives you an easy way to switch from another time tracking tool that your team might have been using or any other manual method of recording your work hours. The only thing you need to do is to format that data in the right way in the CSV format and import it to Clockify to continue where you left off. Clockify will then record all of your existing projects, clients, tasks, tags, time entries, and users. Personal PIN codes for a kiosk let your team members log in to track their time on a kiosk with their 4-digit PIN code to increase overall security and accuracy of time tracking. In the same way you can track the time you spend on work, you can also track the time you spend on breaks. If you're using the tracker, you just need to switch from tracker mode to break mode and start the clock. The same goes for when you're tracking time through the kiosk. Just click on the break button and the timer will start ticking. And in the timesheet, you can choose the default break project you've previously set for tracking breaks and enter the time you spent on a break. If you aren't sure which Clockify's paid plan will best serve your team, you can activate a free trial for 7 days and test it out for yourself. No credit card required. Be sure to explore all Clockify features in depth and check out our other tutorials and guides for more helpful information and tips. Thanks for watching. Till next time.